Well, thanks guys. A retractable steering wheel, zero emissions, no gauges, and a car that actually changes shape as you drive. These are some of the things that BMW imagine their car of the future will have.
We wanted to create a car that is based around your urban life. So the car is part of your life, but it's also part of other people's lives. That means it's part of a sharing community, and it's part of the way you move from A to B, but still makes best use of time and space going from A to B.
The inspiration for this vehicle here comes from a multitude of places. We belong to a brand 104 years old now. During that period, Rolls-Royce has had many beautiful design pieces put together by coach builders of the past. And actually what we see today in front of us is actually a car that goes back to that era of coach building. We have an autonomous platform for this particular coach build variant. Carbon fiber platform with a motor at the front, motor at the rear. It's fully autonomous, there's no steering wheel. And the panels that you see here, for example, would be 3D printed or using additive manufacturing technology. We could actually then coach build the skin to the customer's needs. So it's the closest that we get to the fashion equivalent of haute couture.
Although many of these technologies will filter down to cars of the future, it may take up to 25 years to see them implemented in some of our new vehicles. In LA, I'm Nik Miles.